Hello. In this video I'm going to cover using multiple maps in one print layout, and the key there is setting up multiple maps includes probably setting up multiple scales and keeping those links or breaking links. So I just opened up file print, and this is the default layout template that I have. I'm just going to select the first map that I have, and just for an example I'm just going to make this one smaller. And the key here is you can see this map is synchronized to the main mapping window, which means if I pan here it will also pan here. So if I can do this properly, you should be able to see this move as I move, and vice versa. Now the synchronization is important because when you draw another map, insert map from the toolbar there, I'm going to select map 2. Now this map is also synchronized. Let me switch back to this one. So you can see these are synchronized and they're both at a scale of 800. Now that's probably not very useful because you would probably want to use this map as some sort of an overview. So I'm going to change this from synchronized to none. So the options under here, as I covered in the map element properties, will basically, you can sync it from the main map to this map, the print layout, or you can do the vice versa, print layout to main, or you can do both, which is synchronized. For this I'm going to do none, and I'm going to just put in here, say 10,000. We're going to do kind of like an overview for this inset. Of course my labels aren't set up very well, but for this example it'll be okay. So this map is linked to this scale bar. I'm going to unlock this and just kind of move this over here so we can see what belongs to what. And you can tell which one is synced to because right now I'm on the scale bar. I have that selected. These are the properties. And the property we're looking for here is the map. And so this is linked to map 1. And so this is map 1 right here. Now if I add another scale bar, I'll put that one just below here. Now that one's already linked. It knows that this one already has a scale bar, so it's attempting to just link it to the next map. But I just want to show how that works. Oops, I don't think I clicked. Oh, I'm on the rectangle. Let me go back up here and scale bar 2. So you can see we have two different scale bars. These have the same name, so that it just appends a 2 here. So this is scale bar 2, and you can see that it's linked to map 2, this map here. So that's just kind of the quick and dirty way to reference if you want to add some overview map. Now let me just show you the last thing. This is not synced, this one is synced. So this one you're probably going to want to just set up either while you have it synchronized to the main map, zooming to some overview selection area or some area that you have in your mind that you want to do an overview of. Now I didn't do that, so the only way to really work with this map now, because it's not synchronized, is to just use these map options in the toolbar. And so you can zoom in, zoom out, and pan from here, and you can see because this map is linked to this scale, as you pan or zoom in and zoom out rather, it will adjust that scale. So you're still free to move around and to set up your desired area, but you're going to lose a little bit of the functionality from the main map with the easy pan and easy scroll in and out. You're going to be limited to what you have here. So I'm just going to turn off these labels because they look a little bit overbearing here. I think those were the labels that were causing the issue. Yeah, so there you go. Again, you can take that and spend 20 minutes with it and get a whole new map layout set up, and you might even be able to save that for another time if you plan on doing several maps with some sort of overview extent or inset. That's the way to show a scale linked to that map. And again, the key is knowing what the map is, and you can change the name of that map right here. And then after you change that, you just need to keep in mind that the scale is also linked here. It's really good about maintaining that synchronization or linkage, I should say. But this is the reference and remembering those relationships. The map name and the scale has a link to a map name. Okay, thank you.